Okay, this is a special firmware designed for Avian A0X, the home automation application. You can see many icons here. If your kids forget to bring their key home, you can open the door for them. And of course, you can remotely turn on the power of your appliances or turn on the lights in advance. When you want to leave home, you can just turn off all the powers, including the gas valve. When you leave home, you want to switch this button on to get push video instantly. So, if there is an intruder entering your home, the siren will go off, and also you get the push message. Once you click on the view, you can see the playback who's entering your home. When the sensor detects gas leaking, the siren will go off and the gas valve will close automatically. You will also get push notification immediately.